So a big congratulations to you. You recently finished your naturalization interview and the examination, or you've already gone to the oath ceremony to be a full-fledged U.S. citizen. So what does it mean? What does it mean, and what do you do next, okay? The first thing it means is that you are forever done dealing with immigration, for you anyway. You don't have to renew any green cards. You don't have to pay any more filing fees. You don't have to remove conditions. You are done dealing with immigration, okay? The second thing that citizenship means is that you now don't have that dark cloud of potential deportation over you, okay? For most of us, it's not really a threat, but it's always there. So now as a U.S. citizen, you never have to think about it again because you are free from deportation, okay? The third thing it means to be a U.S. citizen is that you can now petition for family members that you couldn't petition to before. And I'm talking parents, siblings, and married children over the age of 21. So you now can petition those people, and if you need to know how, right there is a video that will walk you through it and tell you what it means and how you do it. So check it out. If you have questions, you can contact me directly. Who am I? I'm attorney Lee Marvin, and I've been specializing in immigration law for over a decade. My main office is in Grand Rapids, Michigan, but I help immigrants all over the country, all 50 states, really globally. I have the ability to help people. So if you have questions and you need help, you can reach out to me, and I would love to help you. Please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell because there's a lot of really cool things that I have on here. You can provide comments to things and suggestions, all that kind of stuff. This channel is for you. It's not for me because I already know this stuff. So check it out and give us a call if you need help. Back to the video now. What are the additional benefits of being a U.S. citizen? Because there are a lot. It's too many to mention here, but highlighting on the important ones is kind of why I wanted to do this video. Additional benefits of being a U.S. citizen, other than the three that I just mentioned, are you now can and should register to vote. Voting is now completely open to you. Whether that's a local election, state election, federal election, you can vote anywhere, anytime, at any place. You just need to know how to do it. And there's a link right now that we're putting on here that's vote.gov. It's a really cool website that you can get all the information on what it means and what you need to register to vote in your state. It gives a ton of great information, additional information about voting. It's your go-to guide for voting in the United States. So check that out. It's going to be very helpful to you. What else does it mean to be a citizen? Well, you now are unrestricted as far as employment. So you can get a job anywhere with any employer at any time, including the federal government, okay? So U.S. citizens have the right to do all that with zero restrictions. So that's a huge benefit. So check that out, right? You can even run for public office. If you are a glutton for punishment and you really have a low opinion, no, I'm just kidding. You now have the right to run for public office. A lot of hard work, a lot of very good people do it, but they have one thing in common. They're all U.S. citizens. So that is open up to you now. Lastly, and this is pretty important actually, you have the right to get a passport, U.S. passport for travel. You should register as soon as possible. Okay, you may have already done it, but I'm just here to remind you again to request your U.S. passport, because as a U.S. citizen, there's no restrictions on you leaving the country, entering the country. There's no longer a 6-month window that you have to be back. There's no restrictions as a U.S. citizen. The additional benefit of being a U.S. citizen is that you can actually enter and visit most countries on the planet with no visa, right? It's a heck of a club to be a part of. So congratulations and welcome to the club.